In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Williams percent range quick and easy guide. Before we jump in, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and have any chart open. It can be a stock, a crypto pair, forex, or an index. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on screen, we're ready to add the Williams percent range indicator. First, look towards the top of your Tradingview chart for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually located near the middle or top left of the screen, and it's labeled Indicators, or sometimes Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new window or panel where you can search for and browse all the available indicators on Tradingview. In this search panel, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and start typing Williams percent range. You don't have to type the full name perfectly. Once you get most of the phrase in, Tradingview will automatically filter the list and show you matching indicators. Typing slowly and double checking the spelling can help you avoid pulling up the wrong tool. After a moment, you should see Williams percent range appear in the results list. This is a built-in indicator on Tradingview, so you don't need to install anything extra or use a third-party script. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the search window will close and the indicator will be added to your chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually underneath your main price chart. That panel is your Williams percent range. By default, it uses the standard settings that most traders rely on, and for many users, those settings are perfectly fine to start with. If you want to customize it, you can hover your mouse over the indicator's name on the left side of that panel, click the settings icon, and adjust things like the length or visual style. This is optional, so if you're just starting out, you can leave everything as it is and focus on getting familiar with how the lines move. If you're interested in unlocking more features on Tradingview, such as additional indicators per chart, more alerts, or extra customization options, check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And that's it. You now know exactly how to add the Williams percent range indicator in just a few clicks.